Is your old Windows PC crawling like a snail? Breathe new life into it with ChromeOS Flex, Google's lightweight, cloud-first operating system. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to safely install it in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. Before we begin, back up all important files. This will erase your hard drive. You'll need 8 GB plus USB drive, 4 GB plus RAM PC, Intel or AMD x86-64. Check compatibility at google.com/ChromeOS Flex. Step 1. Create bootable USB on any working computer. First, install the Chromebook Recovery Utility from Chrome Web Store. Insert USB drive and launch Chromebook Recovery Utility. Now, click Get Started button, and in the next steps, identify your Chromebook. Type the model number of your Chromebook or select your laptop model from list. After choosing model number, now press Continue button. Select your USB flash drive from list and press Continue button. Press Create Now button to start making ChromeOS USB drive. Creating a recovery image will take about 15 to 20 minutes, so do not disturb USB drive until process finish. Press Done button and remove USB drive. Step 2. Boot from USB. Insert the USB to PC or laptop you want to install ChromeOS. Restart and press F12/F8/ESC to enter boot menu. Select your USB drive and hit Enter key. Wait while installation setup wizard start. Welcome to ChromeOS Flex. Press Get Started button to start installation. In the next steps, press Install ChromeOS Flex. If you want to try, first you can choose second option. After select option, press Next button. Press Install ChromeOS Flex button. Install ChromeOS Flex and erase hard disk. If you're sure to install ChromeOS, press Install button to erase hard disk and install ChromeOS. Now grab coffee. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes to complete installation of Chrome's OS. Installation complete. Laptop will reboot. Now remove USB drive and wait to boot Chrome's OS first time. Welcome to ChromeOS Flex. Press Get Started button. Connect to Wi-Fi in the next steps. Select who's using this Chromebook and press Next button. Sign in to your Chromebook. Use your Gmail ID and password to log in and press Next button. Skip Google Assistant and proceed to next steps. Choose your display theme and press Next button. And now you are all set. Chrome OS installation and setup completed. Now you can enjoy your laptop with ChromeOS Flex. You have successfully installed ChromeOS Flex. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech videos. Thanks for watching.